Today I want to just share a quick tip on the Toro 4500D. It's a diesel rough mower. I see a lot of people in the forums that are having this sort of common issue where the mower will run for approximately 20 minutes, 30 minutes, maybe it runs for an hour, 2 hours, and then it just shuts down. There could be a couple of different things that would cause the machine to do that. But I see a lot of people talking about the battery. Now, the only way really you can shut down a diesel motor is by cutting off fuel or cutting off air. And this is the third time, actually I'm sorry, this is just the second time that this has happened to me, so I wanted to do a quick tutorial in case somebody else is having this problem. Now this machine, it's very large, it's hard to tow, and when it stalls, you really kind of need to fix it right there where it's at, unless you got the proper equipment to get out there and bring it back. So on this particular thing, the symptoms of this machine, let me show you the machine first. All right, so the hood is tilted back there, but this is the Toro Groundsmaster. All right, now the symptoms this was doing was, in the mornings, the machine was giving a hard time starting, which we thought, okay, maybe we're having an issue with a glow plug, something there similar, and then it would eventually start. So the technician would go out and they would cut for about an hour sometimes, and then the machine would die. And when we would go to try to start it, it would just turn over and over and over and over and would not start. All right, so we are on, we'll call this the driver's side of the machine, and right here, this guy is the fuel pump. Today I tried starting it a couple of times. I did a once over the motor, made sure all the connections, everything were good. Walked over to this guy, took a screwdriver, smacked on it a couple of times, and the machine fired right up. This was the problem on another machine as well. I didn't think that this was the problem this time. That's why I didn't go to that first, because we had already replaced this once before. So I thought this was brand new, and that wasn't it. Unfortunately, we got a faulty one, and this is the problem. So, not saying this is going to fix everybody's Toro that's stalling, but if you're not familiar with the machine, this is the fuel pump, and if you're having those symptoms, pop the hood, tap this a couple of times. Also, check your connections. These things, this machine sees a lot of dirt, a lot of dust. Pull these apart, blowing them. Make sure these wires aren't pulling out of the back of it. You got one connection here, and then you got another one back here. There's two of them. Pull them apart, check the wires, clean them out, put them back together. Tap on this a couple of times, and it should fire right up. That's it. That seemed to be my problem twice on the Toro 4500D. I'll see you next time.